Hello, I'm Itumelong Msibi, student number 64912671. I'm doing consumer science under food and nutrition. I'll be doing a practical of module F001602, assignment 3. This is the question that I'll be using to do my practical. For my starter, I'll be doing the caprese salad. The ingredients that I'll be using is basil leaves, mozzarella cheese, balsamic vinegar, 1 medium tomato, and salt and pepper. For the main dish, I'll be doing potato mash. I'll be using potatoes, parsley, butter, salt and pepper, and milk. The mash will go together with the fried fish that I'll prepare with the breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, and butter. For my dessert, I'll be preparing pineapple sorbet, of which I'll need a pineapple, a lemon, and sugar. To prepare my ingredients, I'm going to need all this equipment. I've got my measuring cups and spoons, the cutting knife, the cutting board. I've got a blender for my dessert, a pan to fry my fish, and a pot to boil my potatoes. I'll start by preparing a starter, but first I'll wash my hands. After washing my hands, I'll take my equipment and rinse them before I use. Then after rinsing the equipment, I'll rinse my ingredients. I'll start by cutting my tomato into slices. Then I'll follow with mozzarella cheese, making slices. I'll repeat the same method until done. The tomato, mozzarella cheese, and basil leaf on top. I'll be seasoning my starter with salt and pepper. So I'm gonna go with a teaspoon of pepper. And a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to use 60 ml of balsamic vinegar. So this is the final product of my starter. So we're gonna next, I'll do in my main dish, the mashed potato. I'll start by washing them first. The following step will be peeling the potatoes. After peeling, I'll go ahead and cut my potatoes into small blocks. I'll then transfer into the dish to rinse before I boil. My potato, I'll transfer them into a pot for boiling. I'll add potatoes and use the water to cover and let it boil. I'm going to use my stove and set it on high and let it boil for a few minutes until they are soft. Okay, I'm going to make the fish to serve with mashed potato as a main. Now I'm going to need a fish, 30 ml breadcrumbs, egg, 1 egg mixed with 20 ml of milk, then I'll go ahead season my fish on both sides with salt and pepper. After seasoning, I'll roll my fish into the breadcrumbs. Then I'll dip it into the egg mixed with milk. I'll then roll it again over the breadcrumbs. I'm going to need 25 ml of butter that I'm going to put in my preheat pan to prepare for fish. So I'm using 15 ml plus 2 5s to make it 25. I'm going to let the butter burn in the high heat. I'll then transfer my fish to fry. So now I'm happy my fish is fried on both sides, it's golden gray. Then I'll take it out and set it aside. Now I'm gonna go ahead and check my mesh. It's soft and happy. Switch off my stove and then drain the water that's still there. I'll immediately go ahead and mash it with my fork. Okay, I'm going to need 60 ml of milk, of warm milk, so I'll be warming it while I mix other ingredients. I'll warm my milk. Then I'm going to put 15 ml of butter. Teaspoon of pepper and salt. I'll mix all my ingredients. It's nice and warm, then I'll add it on my mash. Mixing everything thoroughly. I'm going to need 2 pieces of parsley. This is 1, 2. I'll rinse them and chop. Taking the stem out. Then I'll put them in my mash. Mixing thoroughly. And this is how it came. I'm going to dish up my mash. I'll rinse my lemon, make slices to put on top of my fish. I'll be making pineapple sorbet, the dessert. I'll peel the pineapple and cut it into cubes. After peeling it, I'll go ahead and cut it into cubes. Then I'll rinse my container where I'll be putting my pineapple. I'm now gonna put my pineapple into the blender. together with 30 ml of lemon juice. I'm going to let it blend until it's smooth. Sorbet is smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and add sugar. So it's 270 of sugar. I'll add sugar then after blend 1 more minute. The sugar has dissolved. Now I'm ready. I'm gonna transfer my sorbet into deep freezer container side. So I'll go ahead and put it in the freezer. Okay, after putting my sorbet dessert into the freezer, I'll take it out to dish up. This was the results. This is the starter, the main dish, and the dessert.